Introducing the CS Cart Order Clone Extension, your easy way to duplicate orders in seconds. This tool lets you quickly duplicate any order with a unique ID by selecting it in the admin panel and using the clone option. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration, and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's see how it works. This is the admin panel. Now go to Add-ons, then click Downloaded Add-ons, and then go to the Recently Installed section. Here you can see the Advanced Order Cloning add-on. I have already installed the Advanced Order Cloning add-on. Now go to Orders and click on Orders again. Here you can see the list of orders. I am selecting an order with the ID 110. Here you can see the order details. Now click on the gear button and you will find the clone option. This helps create a new duplicate order with a different order ID. Click the clone button to proceed. You can edit the duplicate order information. For example, I am selecting money order as the payment method, and you can change the status. For now, I'm changing it from incomplete to complete. There are many other settings you can edit here. Finally, click the Save button to save the changes. The order has been saved successfully. Now click on the Orders button and you can see the duplicate order that we cloned. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.